Morning, guys. How was your yesterday? I hope it was good. I hope you're at the door. I was all ready to let him inside, and he's not there. Oh well. But, yeah. See, I cleaned my windows. Y'all you can see now. The dog's not out there because he usually stands right about there. Don't know where he's at. See this way? Oh, there he comes. There he comes. There he comes. There he is. There he is. There he is. What him doing? Scratching. Oh, he's scratching. Yeah. Are you scratching? Are you scratching? I've already had one dog in my lap today. Went over to my dad's because I went and picked up his girlfriend from work to take her over there. And I brought her to the thing. They have a dog, and you've seen the dog, baby, the white dog. Big baby, not little baby. The white dog. And she jumped in the car, right across Debbie's lap, and into mine. She's a big dog. I have a little car. It was funny. And I'm sorry I didn't record it, but I didn't have hands for it or anything else. She was excited, though. She was excited to see people come home. She was excited that she could get to go inside because there was frost on the ground and she was cold. So yeah, dog in the lap. That's what happened today. But I'm gonna change and go back because I'm tired, as you can see. I'm sorry if I made you yawn. My bad. But I will see you later today. But I tell you good night. You want to say something too? Huh? You want to say something too? Huh? You give me kisses again? No, you got kisses. You give me one more kiss? Don't give him one more kiss? No? Okay. Well, you got your kiss from the dog. And I will bid you a good night so far. I will see you later. Good night. Sleep time, something. I don't know. Guys, good night, and I will see you tomorrow. And I still don't know why I say like that every night, but I do, so it just kind of happens without planning. But I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you had a good day. Don't worry. But we will. Being blinded by lights. These were yellow lights. They were really bright. It's confusing me because I don't know if it's the back of the car or the front of the car. Because it's yellow, they should be front of the car, but the way the car's acting, it looks like the back of the car. They're really bright. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see them on my face. So, yeah, I gotta work in about 7 minutes, roughly. So, woohoo! I really want to go to work, but I will. But I could leave early. I get to today. We'll see. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.